In 2015, in a small hostel room at IIT Madras in Chennai, a boy sat coding all night long under the dim light bulbs glowing. He used Google just like any normal person does. At that time, no one could have imagined that today that same boy would compete with a massive giant like Google. That boy is Aravind Srinivas. Aravind Srinivas started his startup called Perplexity in year. He started it in 2022 recently. Today, it has become a threat to Google's search dominance, and its valuation has reached up to 20 billion. So, how exactly did a middle-class boy make this possible? And what is so special about Perplexity AI today that makes it different from other AI tools existing, allowing it to become a billion-dollar company in just a few years and give tough competition to massive giants? Well, Aravind Srinivas belongs to a simple middle-class family living in Chennai in the south of India years ago. After finishing his schooling in his hometown with grades, he went to IIT Madras, where he was allotted electrical engineering as his branch of study for years. While on one hand, Aravind's friends were enjoying their college and social lives, on the other hand, Aravind was learning how to make machines think intelligently. Back then, he didn't even know the meaning of machine learning as a field of study at all. Yet, he participated in a machine learning competition in college and won it almost without any preparation or training. This was the turning point that defined his direction. After this important victory in 2017, Aravind went to UC Berkeley in California for studies, where he did his PhD in computer science field. During this time in 2018 and 19, he did internships at OpenAI, Google Brain, and DeepMind. It was here that Aravind got the clarity completely. A perfect search means advanced AI and nothing else. After this realization in November 2022, when the internet meant only Google for most people, ChatGPT was launched by OpenAI, and the entire digital landscape was transformed overnight with this new AI tool. Wow! It was the first time people experienced that computers don't just give answers like robots responding to queries, but they can understand context, language, and user emotions deeply to provide tailored responses accordingly to each person uniquely. But the problem was that even ChatGPT had some limitations, like the unavailability of real-time information from internet, and the absence of visible verified sources being shown. Because of this issue, users couldn't trust it fully. So, on one side there was Google search engine existing, which provided multiple links upon searching for anything online, and on the other side was ChatGPT answering questions, which answered users in a human tone conversationally nicely, but didn't show any links or sources to verify. Exactly here, a massive gap existed in the market. And to fill this very gap in market, Aravind Srinivas took the initiative to build something new, and from here evolved the concept of Perplexity AI, an AI that fetches real-time data from internet, presents it in concise summaries for users to understand, and also displays credible sources alongside every insight given. But right here, the biggest challenge was created for Aravind: capital. Because building a cutting-edge AI model requires a multi-billion-dollar investment in infrastructure, which was not possible at all. Then, Aravind applied strategic thinking to solve this problem creatively. Instead of building his own model like other tools, He integrated the world's best already existing models into AI. Due to this brilliant move, Perplexity became an AI aggregator platform that works smartly. It integrates models like GPT, Gemini, and Llama through APIs and delivers a clear, verified single-answer output daily. With this approach, there was neither a massive infrastructure cost to bear nor dependency on any single model that could fail. And the best part about this strategy was this: if in the future any model faces a legal case or claim against it from anyone anywhere globally, Perplexity can simply replace it and put a new model in its place without any disruption to service. So, Aravind had his AI ready to launch to world. But now it was time to launch it to users. This was his life's first startup venture ever attempted, and that too in a field where huge giants like Google and OpenAI were already present, dominating completely. After this, on December 7th, 2022, date exactly, Aravind, along with 3 co-founders working together as team, launched Perplexity AI to the world for everyone globally. But what Aravind hadn't expected at all happened suddenly overnight. Wow! Right after the launch on the very first day, Perplexity started receiving 3,000 queries per day only. In just a few months passing by very quickly, this turned from thousands into millions of queries daily. Within just 1 year of launching to public, the company achieved 1,000 times growth rate incredibly. And Perplexity's growth didn't just stop here at all. Seeing this rapid growth and success in market, top-tier investors joined in with their money flowing in, including the world's biggest chipmaker company NVIDIA investing heavily, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos putting his personal money in, and SoftBank investing billions into the company's future growth. Following this investment wave, by 2025, Perplexity's valuation reached up to $20 billion, making it a unicorn company. And today, more than 30 million searches happen daily on Perplexity, making it one of the fastest-growing AI startups in the world, competing with the biggest names globally. And now the question is very simple to ask. Why don't massive giants like Google or OpenAI directly build such a product themselves with their resources available? Well, the answer lies hidden in their business models clearly. Google's primary revenue comes from ads displayed on searches. If they built a Perplexity-style answer engine giving answers, users wouldn't click on links at all ever again, causing ad impressions to drop drastically and revenue falling. On the other hand, OpenAI and Microsoft generate billions by selling their LLM APIs to other companies who build products on top. If they launched a neutral AI interface for users, they would be seen competing with their own customers. Finally, today Aravind Srinivas's vision is crystal clear for everyone. The future is not about search engines anymore today, but about AI answer engines that understand you deeply, where users won't just come to search for things, but to understand, compare, and learn from AI teachers. And this story proves to us very clearly today. With clarity of vision and the right direction chosen, even a boy coming from a middle-class background anywhere can challenge a trillion-dollar giant like Google successfully today.